Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and a big congratulations to me that I've completed 1 year on this channel. Though I'm a bit late to say this, it's been 1 year and 1 month because last year on January I uploaded my first video, and that too it was a stationery collection video. So in this video I thought just why not do it again. So just a disclaimer that I didn't purchase all of this thing all at once. I accumulated them over the past 3 to 4 months, and now I have decided to film a video because I just take hell long to film videos because I have a lot of other stuff going on. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get updates of all my new uploads. Let's begin. So I have shopped from various websites and stores such as Miniso, Amazon, Alicia Souza and all of that. So first are these pins and clip from Miniso and the sticky notes. So first is this one. This comes in really cute storage box, this 4-way storage box, which is so handy and so useful. So it stores all your paper clips and pins, the bigger ones, and these are the bigger ones, and the smaller ones, the paper clips. These are in pastel color, so they look really cool. Let me show it. Just like this, and we have two variants, the smaller one and the bigger one. This is the smaller one. So we have these two sizes, the smaller one and the bigger one. And we also have this rubber band kind of a thing. I think that these are used for the paper rolls that you make and to tie them up like this for the paper rolls, if I'm not wrong. If you guys know the use of them, do correct me in the comment section down below. So yeah, these were the clips that we have. Next we have these pastel sticky notes, blue, pink and yellow. If you guys don't know, I am a sucker for sticky notes and post-its. I love them so much. These are separate. The blue ones, and these were for 70 rupees. Yes, these were for 70 rupees. Yes, the colors are so pretty, and they have this rounded edges which look so good. I haven't used them. Let me just show it to you guys if it sticks well. So it sticks pretty good. So these were the two things that I got from Miniso. Next we have few stuff from Amazon, that is this highlighter, cello highlighters. These are really affordable ones, and the colors that it had were not actually common in the normal stationery colors that the highlighter colors that we get. So there are these 4 colors: the pink, orange, yellow, purple and peach. So purple and peach are not that common. So let me just show you the swatches real quick. It's these are the 5 swatches that we have, and the last 2 colors are the one that we don't usually get, the purple and peach. So these are really affordable ones and with such a good price range. So that was the first one that I had from Amazon. Next one is this post-it notes cube. I got it from local stationery shop, but I will link the Amazon links in the description box if you guys want to have a look. Let me just open it. So this is the 5 color post-it cube. I really like post-it notes and I use them a lot, so this is very handy for me. I will link everything down in the description box. If you want, you can check them out. So the next item that I have is this pencil pouch from Alicia Souza, which she launched as a planner accessory for the year 2022. You can check it out on our website. I will leave all the links in the description box. It has like this beautiful golden zipper and this Alicia Souza tag. I store my pens and pencils which I carry around to write. It has this cloth in it, and to be honest, it is a bit expensive, and I agree on that, but I love all her products, so I don't really mind it. And I love the illustration in it, and it's like very pretty. And let me tell you how to use this elastic right here is, you can use it to, you know, just attach your pencil to your notebook or journal, so it is like easy to carry around like this, so that it stays with it, and I really like it. Yeah, this is the one that I got from Alicia. Next I have this washi tape which she recently launched on our website. I just purchased one because I wanted to see how it is, though I haven't even opened it yet. This is like the sweetest little box. And I have got this Bee in the Garden washi tape. Let me just show it to you. So it has like this very smooth matte texture to it. This is the print. This is how it looks. I mean, like, it's very sheer. Can you see the ruled lines? I didn't expected it to be like this. It is like really very sheer. That's why I just got only one washi tape, but I would really love to try all other washi tapes, but this is like really pricey for this one. It is like around 2.5 meters or 2 meters, this tape, and it costed me for like 249 rupees. The illustrations are pretty obviously, but the quality should have been a bit higher because it's a sheer one. I don't know if washi tapes are supposed to be like this. I've never used washi tapes. Next one is also from Alicia. This is her Mushroom Girl Notebook Spiral Heartbound Notebook. I really liked it. The cover is matte and it's like very sturdy, the hardcover notebook, and the spiral is like of very good quality, and it is a ruled notebook. And it costed me for around like 350 rupees, and I really like it. Next is this journal cum hardbound notebook with this elastic band. I use it for writing my stuff and my journaling. Like, it has this ribbon. Obviously I won't be showing you, just let me give you a sneak peek. So this is how it looks, the first page, and I have few personal stuff in it, and definitely not opening it. And yeah, that's the notebook I have. Next are also few notebooks like this one. This is the Pastel Mint Roses all-purpose notebook 100 GSM from Factor Notes, and it had like this thank you note attached. It is a dotted grid notebook, and I really liked its cover. Like, it's so pretty with these roses and this pastel background. I really like it. It is a 100 GSM dotted grid notebook. I hope it's visible. So the next is this watercolor book, which has this wine glass drawing in it, and it is in spiral bound, and it has like this very good picture of or a painting of this wine glass, and the pages are of 300 GSM. Obviously I haven't used them yet. I'm yet to use them. I don't know, I just think that I'm going to ruin it, like truly. I know that's like very pathetic and lame, but this is what I think. It has like 40 sheets or 40 sides or something like that, and I really liked it. And it is also from Factor Notes. It has like 40 pages, that means 20 sheets, A5. Next I have this rainbow spiral notebook, and it is also in dot grid A5, but it is a lot more bigger, as you can see, because it is A4 in size, and it costed me for like around 299 rupees. It was on sale. I will provide all the links in the description. It is also dot grid. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.